This is something that I also cannot live without from Chantecaille. It's their Perfecting HD powder. This is something that I use for every red carpet, every day, to control shine and set makeup. This is the Chantecaille cheek brush that I absolutely love for both blush and for powder. And I'm just gonna use a little bit. I usually use the mirror to kind of dust off the excess powder, or you can just use the back of your hand to just get rid of any excess. Again, it's all about blending, and it makes it easier to blend when you have less product. So for this, because I want to keep the glow in my skin, I'm just going to go through the center of the face, around the nose, on the tip, and the microfine powder is so light, it just gives you the most natural complexion. I love this powder. There is another version of this powder that I like to use as a really delicate contour. Obviously, if this is your skin tone, the bronze, then this is the powder you would want to use, maybe not necessarily the universal shade, but I also love this to create a little bit of definition underneath my cheekbones. So it's gonna be really subtle, but because it's a really fine powder, it blends in super, super easily. So I'm gonna bring everything together and set my makeup with the Rose de May Pure Rose Water. So you wanna just use enough so that you feel it all over your complexion. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna bring together your powder, your concealer, and your foundation so that it feels very lived in immediately.